Today we have a fight between two weirdos. One guy, his name is Colorful. This guy's name's Spider-Man. They're gonna fight with beanbag chairs. And by the way, it might look very gay, but that's just them. Action, men! Colorful lost his beanbag. Oh wait, no, he has it back. Whoa, what's going on? They have him. They have him. They're fighting. Spider-Man's losing. Oh, he's going for the kill. Oh, well, he lost his time. Look at that. Epic bondage. Oh, Colorful lost his stuff. What is wrong with them? Can this be? Is Spider-Man gonna get his revenge? It's a pin. 1, 2, 3, knockout! Well, so you get me!